In this video, I'm going to show you how to track JoyaGoo package. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, click on the top right over here, and then click on My Orders. Here, select the order you would like to track. So for example, let's say it's going to be this first one. You want to click on Details over here, and whenever your order has actually been sent and shipped, you'll be able to see your tracking number. Now that number is going to be very important, so just find it over here. It's going to say something like tracking number. Just copy that tracking number, and then you have to go to one of the two following websites. Either go to 17track.net, which basically is a all-in-one package tracking. You can go ahead, paste in your tracking number, and then click on track over here, and it's going to basically show you where your package currently is. Or if that doesn't find anything, you can go to package-tracker.getcircuit.com, or just go ahead to Google and type in circuit packet tracker, and then on this website over here, you'll be able to paste in your tracking number again, click on track package, and then hopefully you'll be able to see where your package currently is and when it is expected to arrive to your address. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.